Look at that crazy new bird at the pond. See that bird? What the heck is that bird? It's a new bird at the pond. Look at this thing. Right here. Right there. What is that bird right there? What the heck is that bird? What in the world is that? That's all I want to know. What is that? It's a weird looking bird. Always a surprise at the pond. Never know who's going to be a new bird in the pond, you know. But this is a weird looking one. I don't even know if it's a duck. What is that? Maybe one of you guys know. Alright. Very curious about this. Very curious.